Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is chapter 8 of grade 3, that is Enjoy with Tux Paint. Tux Paint basically a computer software that is used for drawing and painting purpose. Different features of Tux Paint like main screen drawing tools, paint, line shapes, magic tool, other controls, new, save, open. We have done all these features in our previous lecture. Today we will start from the exercises. Descriptive type question. Question number 1. Answer the following. Part A. Describe the functions of the different parts on the main screen of Tux Paint. And the answer is the different parts of the main screen of the Tux Paint program and their functions are as follows. Number 1. The toolbar. The toolbar on the left hand of the main screen of Tux Paint has drawing and editing tools. The drawing canvas. The drawing canvas in the center of the screen is used for drawing purposes. The selector. The selector on the right hand side of the screen shows various sizes of available brushes. A color palette. A color palette is below the drawing canvas. We can pick different colors from it to draw. And the last one is the help area. The help area at the bottom of the screen displays information and tips about the selected tools while drawing on the canvas. Here is a picture of Tux Paint window. You can see where the toolbar, selector, drawing canvas, color palette and help area is actually located. Part B is what is the disadvantage of opening Tux Paint in full screen? And the answer is the disadvantage of opening Tux Paint in full screen is that some menu options are not visible. That's why by default the Tux Paint always open in small window. Part C. Which section of the main screen would you refer to if you needed assistance in printing out the pictures on the drawing canvas? And the answer is we would use the print tool on the left hand side of the main screen if we need assistance in printing out the pictures on the drawing canvas. Next part is list the available options in the paint tool to draw on the canvas. The paint tool allows us to draw the following on the canvas: stars, arrows, any other image freehand. Whenever we have to click the paint tool, these options are actually associated with the paint tool. The next part is give an example of a drawing where you might need to use lines with varied thickness. And the answer is drawing a tree with the trunk, branches and leaves will require us to use lines with varied thickness. The next part of exercise is application based questions. Part A. Name the tool used to write snowman in the picture given below. Which tool would you use to draw the face and body of the snowman? And the answer is text tool is used to write snowman. As we know, the text tool is used to write something. So this tool is used to write the caption snowman, and the shapes tool is used to draw the face and body of the snowman. Part B. Isa was asked by his teacher to draw 2 kites in Tux Paint. While drawing, he made 3 kites instead of 2. He needs to rub out 1 kite and show it to his teacher. Which tool should he use to remove the kites in the middle? The picture is given along with the statement. There are 3 kites. So, which tool should he use to remove the kite in the middle? And the answer is eraser tool. And B part is which tool is used to fill color in the kites? And the answer is magic tool. Practice time. Now there is an activity on page number 101 and 102. You guys have to draw a picture in Tux Paint by using as many of the drawing tools you have learnt as you can. Picture is given in your book and the solution steps are also given. Just follow the steps and do this activity as for your practice. The next part of exercise is objective type question. Number 1. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Different words are given. And the first statement is the dash canvas is present at the center of the main screen, the drawing canvas. The second part is the dash tool is used to load the already saved pictures. and the correct word is the open tool is used to load the already saved pictures. The C part is the help area is present at the dash of the TuxPaint screen at the bottom of the TuxPaint screen. The second last statement is the dash tool is used to type text and numbers in the drawing area, and definitely the text tool is used to type text and numbers. And the last one is the dash command will cancel the last drawing action, the undo command. Question number 2, choose the correct option. And the first statement is the command used to save a picture, and the options are new, open, save, save as. And the third option is correct, save. The second statement is the tool used to draw geometrical figures. Options are line, brush, shapes, magic. And the third option is correct, shapes. The next statement is the tool is used to draw freehand, brush, line, text, shapes, and brush option is correct. The brush tool is used to draw freehand. The second last statement is the tool is used to move out of TuxPaint, new, print, quit, and exit. And the third option is correct, quit. The last statement is the tool used to cancel the last action you undid, undo, redo, new, save. And the correct one is redo. Worksheet 2. This is actually given in your book on page number 65 and 66. Question number 1, search for any 5 KTurtle commands in the following maze. You guys have to do this question by yourself. Next question is match the commands on the left with their actions on the right. Match the columns, column A with column B. The first in column 1, the first command is print 34 plus 56. This is actually a print command, and you have to match in the second column with third statement. It prints 90. Turn right 120 means it turns the turtle right by 120 degree from the previous position. Direction 120 means it turns the turtle right by 120 degree from the starting position. Forward 100, simply it moves the turtle forward by 100 units. And sprite hide, it hides the turtle. Question number 3, complete the missing statements to draw a rectangle of size 60 steps by 100 steps. What is the color of the rectangle you get? Draw a rectangle of the same color in the given box. Commands are given. Some commands are given to draw a rectangle of size 60 step by 100 step. Some commands are missing. You have to complete the missing commands to draw a rectangle in KTurtle window. So the first line reset, the second one pen width 5, pen color 25500, pen color 25500. It's mean pen color 255. 255 is representing R, 00 is for G and B. So only we are having the value of R. Now our rectangle will be of red color. Forward 60. The next command is turn right 90. Forward 100, turn right 90, forward 60, turn right 90, forward 100, and turn right 90. The red colored rectangle of size 60 by 100 you can get on the screen, and you have to draw this rectangle, red color rectangle, on your book as well in the given space. The last question is question number 4. Write the short form of the following commands. You have learned all the commands of KTurtle in your chapter 3, 4, 5. You guys have to do this question by yourself. Till then, now your final term syllabus is almost done. From next video we will start the re-and worksheets. So you just have to subscribe our YouTube channel, The Broadway School, to get next videos. Thank you so much.